Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, a few minutes before 9, and this is your pre-opening comment for the day. It's video number 484, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so in a word, the issue today is COVID. I mentioned it in last night's letter that there are now curfews in parts of France, Spain, Italy is ramping up, and the numbers everywhere are new nominal highs. This is an overwhelming issue, and I've been saying it over and over and over again. It's not nearly over. It's going to get worse. And these imbeciles in Congress and their leaders are making a huge mistake now politicizing this. In corporate news, however, Dunkin' Brands, owner of Dunkin' Donuts, is talking with private equity about going private. Again, the price looks to be about 105, and that's about where the stock is trading. In earnings, SAP had a weak Q3 and gave poor guidance for Q4, and that stock is 118.03, down 31.68, so that's pretty ugly. There's a little one, DSS. There's no news on it, nothing of any substance. The stock was reversed recently, and right now it's trading at 659, up 255. The only news that I was able to find was 4 days ago. They said that they were that several of their directors were going on to another company or being added to another company. SHRG is the symbol. It's a 25-cent stock, and I cannot possibly understand why that would make any kind of difference. Certainly not a 57% gain in the stock. Ant, it looks like, is going to raise about $17 billion. The big upside there is the fact that Alibaba, BABA, owns a big piece of it, and so that's going to be somewhat of a windfall to them. Asia is mixed. Europe is down. Oil is down. The chart on the screen is the gold, which in last night's letter I gave you as something that I felt might bounce here off the moving average. This is a 100-day MA. It also comes into support at exactly about 1885. So we'll have to see. Last night it was trading on the low. This morning it's trading pretty close to the high and down only $1.70 after being last night $18.92, which was down about $12. The dollar is getting a little bit of a bounce here, and let's just pull it up. Okay, the dollar is up 31 cents, which is more than a little bounce, but as you can see, it's had a couple of days of higher highs and higher lows. Today so far is an inside day, which is absolutely nothing, if not boring, and doesn't really affect the situation. So the dollar is up. It's still well below any of these areas of consolidation. Could easily move lower. And last but not least, we have Bitcoin, my favorite commodity. As I mentioned last night, this is a stock. This is an item that trades on a very strong technical basis. And what we're doing here is we're either making a little bit of a top for a pullback, maybe to the breakout, or maybe to 12 and a half thousand, currently trading 13,185 up to 15. Okay, everyone. One last item, as you would well suspect with all the COVID news, that the airlines and the cruise lines are down. As far as the market goes, pre-opening in the S&P is down about 40. In the Dow, we're down about 350, and NASDAQ is down about 115. So really the NASDAQ is best performing, sort of the cleanest shirt in a laundry pile. All right, everyone. I'll be back later on in the day. Have a good morning. Be careful out there and keep your position sizes appropriate.